Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is a Google Classroom tip and it is specific to mobile. So on iOS and Android, you now have some new ways to customize your notifications in the mobile app that you didn't have previously. So if you go to your three lines and scroll down to the bottom and go to settings, you can go to your notifications and detail not only the push notifications, like exactly what you want. If you want the push notifications enabled, comments that mention you, private comments on work, if you are enrolled in classes as a student, and if you are teaching classes, you have some really specific notifications that you can get. And teachers, I know, really appreciate that first one you see, late submissions of student work or resubmissions, to make sure you don't miss that. So you have all of these, which are push notifications, but you can also customize email from the mobile app as well. So from here, you can toggle it on, email notifications, and detail which things you want to get. Again, for classes that you teach, classes that you are enrolled in. And then you can go into each class and turn it on or off. So you can get into that nitty gritty that previously some of those things were only available in the desktop version. So if you have not customized your notifications, I definitely recommend you do that, because I recommend you have the mobile app. It is very handy, and there are a few features that are only available on mobile. And you can learn more about that at shakeuplearning.com. If you like this tip, ring the bell and subscribe so that you get notified when new tips come out each week. And if you haven't already, hop on over to shakeuplearning.com and check out all of our free resources there. Bye, y'all.